we will be unboxing HP Spectre 360. This laptop has Core i7 8th generation processor with dedicated graphics card from Redeon Rx Vega x16 GB of DDR4 Ram. The box has two styrofoam supports on the side. Let's pull the content outside the box. There is another small box, as you can see. Let's make sure the box is empty and there is nothing else inside. This box has the power brick inside along with power cables. As you can see, the power brick has a premium look and feel. HP logo is printed on the top. This is the adapter pin which goes inside the laptop for charging. This is the power cable for the power brick. One side goes into the power supply and the other side goes into the laptop. Inside the box there is the HP pen. Let's remove it from the box. This is the battery and this is the Stylus Pen for the laptop, so you can write or draw on the screen. As you can see, the touch of the pen is soft. The nib of the pen is very soft and it's pressable. Beside the pen there is a battery, as you can see, and some spare nibs for the pen. This goes over here. This is a regular AAA battery which you can find in your local store. Let's put it back in the box. As you can see, everything is right here. Here we have our laptop sleeve. Let's remove it from the plastic. The opening side has a velcro stickiness. The leather has a premium feel and finish. The sleeve alone cost around $50 on eBay. This is the velcro, as you can see, it has just a space to fit the HP Spectre 360 laptop. Let's put it aside. Finally, the moment of what you all been waiting for, the unboxing of HP Spectre 360. Let's remove the foam supports. Now we will peel the plastic film carefully. Now we lift the top of the box. Here we got the setup instructions and power information. The material has a luxurious feel. Let's take it out. We will remove it from the box, from the plastic packaging. This is the HP Spectre. We are going to pull the plastic from the bottom, and on the bottom side you can see there is a small opening. You can just peel the plastic off. Let me show you how it looks from the side. This is the HP logo, and if you come closer, the hinges are of gold color and it is Spectre written on it. I don't know if you can see in the camera. All the sides have the same golden finish. Let's open the lid. This is a 15.6 IPS touchable screen with 4K resolution. Here, this is a chiclet keyboard, and this is a numeric pad on the side. You can see Bang & Olufsen speakers on the top. The only thing that it feels odd is the mouse pad. It's a small mouse pad for this kind of laptop, and usually now bigger mouse pads are coming in other laptops. It's light and it is foldable in 360, so you can convert it as a tablet, and you can use the pen to browse the internet or play games which require touch. Well, and you can be creative and fold it another way, which by which you can enjoy the viewing of movies, playing of games, or making presentation. Well, this is the unboxing of HP Spectre. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.